Experiencing problems with Wi-Fi calling? This section helps you diagnose and resolve common issues on both iPhones and Android devices. First, confirm that Wi-Fi calling is enabled. On iPhone, go to Settings, Phone, Wi-Fi Calling, and ensure it's toggled on. On Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi Calling, and enable it for your SIM. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and connected to a stable network, preferably using the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz bands. If enabled, toggle the setting off and on again. Then restart your device. Ensure your phone is running the latest OS version, iOS 18.1 or Android 15. For iPhones, also check for carrier updates via the App Store and reinstall if necessary. For Android, clear the cache of the phone app in Settings, Apps, Phone Storage, Clear Cache. If you're still facing issues, try resetting network settings via Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings iPhone, or Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, Android. Remember, Wi-Fi calling relies on internet bandwidth, so poor Wi-Fi signal degrades call quality. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, consider these advanced solutions. Ensure your router supports WPA3 security and doesn't interfere with VPNs, which can block Wi-Fi calling. If you're on T-Mobile with an Android device, switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, as this has resolved no service errors for some users, particularly on the Pixel 9 series. Contact your carrier to check for outages or account-specific issues. Note that Verizon users often have pre-integrated support, which could mean fewer issues than other carriers. For iPhone users, a glitch during the iOS 18 rollout in spring 2025 was fixed by toggling Wi-Fi calling off and on and resetting network settings, so retry these steps. If using a mesh Wi-Fi system like Eero, ensure all nodes have a strong connection. If issues persist, consider backing up your device and performing a factory reset as a last resort. Keep in mind, emergency calls are encrypted and prioritized, but having a stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial.